How to use MetaTrader 5 in Pocket Option. So first go to Trading and then click MetaTrader 5 Real Account. Then go to the top option here, it's the web terminal MetaTrader 5. Then choose Open Real Account and then let's just copy this. Now from here go to MetaTrader 5, then go to File and then open an account. Then simply paste what we've copied here and then click Find Your Company. Then let's go Next and then connect with an existing trade account. What we're going to do is we're going to use the login and password from the Pocket Option account. So let's do this. And that's how to use MetaTrader 5 in Pocket Option. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.